Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with another birthday card. Ooh. This one now features that new Diamond Essential Foundation die. Love. Love, love, love. You'll be seeing this on a bunch of examples in the future because I just love using this. This diamond created all of this. That's how I craft sometimes. Sometimes I'll start off with one piece, put it together, and then I'm like, where can I go from here? And I went into this. Now, what do you guys think of this card? When I finished with it, I was like, oh, this is actually pretty. You ever craft and you're like, you surprised yourself? I surprised myself. I wanted to use the new 3D embossing folder, the essential diamonds, and then everything else was just having fun. So let's get into it. Let me show you what I used to create this beauty. Let's get started. I started off with Spellbinders' new Essential Diamonds die. This now is 12 pieces. Starts off with an A2 diamond. That means that this is 4 1/4 wide, 5 1/2 inch tall, all the way down to this little baby. And the baby is 3/4 of an inch by 1 inch. Okay, so you can go all the way in. You could do layers, you could do rainbow colors, all kinds of stuff. I knew I wanted this to be a focal piece, like how I was using the fluted classic circles and fluted classic squares for my cards. This time I was using the diamond as that piece for the sentiment. In the back, I have the Beveled Diamonds 3D embossing folder. Oh, love, love, love. Using their new universal plate system. This gives you the configuration to either emboss a 2D folder, or in this case, these thicker 3D folders without breaking your machine because it has different heights. But the plate system is not convoluted. Because sometimes die cutting machines, yes, I'm going into a sidebar. Sometimes die cut machines will have so many plate systems you get so confused. This is actually not that bad. Yeah, that universal plate system. And you can use it in other machines like your Big Shot. This also turns your Spellbinders machine into a, for cutting slim line and longer dies. And also long, wide. That's what that plate system is also for the Platinum 6, because their plate was always short. So I used the universal plate system with my 3D embossing folder. This one is the Beveled Diamonds in the 3D embossing folder set. The 2D, I love Geoscreen, Loops. Those are my like favorites. I love the rest, but if I had to choose a favorite, in the 3D now, Beveled Diamonds. And you can see why. Oh, she is good. She is good. That would be my favorite. There's a whole bunch of embossing folders. I will put a link for their 3D embossing folders. But if you just want to try one, start off with that Beveled Diamonds because it's a great foundation for any style of card. In this case, I used it because Beveled Diamonds with the diamond label. The florals, I wanted to go this sort of a gray, I don't know what this is, like a gray-brown leaf with corally, light pinky, peachy with a purple and blue. I discovered this colorway. I'll be exploring this one again because I really like it. I think it's so delicate. This, of course, is Be Bold Blooms. This die set is sold out at a lot of places. So put yourself to be notified at Spellbinders or scrapbook.com when it comes back in stock. Then you get yourself one. I have multiples of this set. There's a floral right there. Here's the center right here. And I just enjoy this set so much. It is the gift that keeps on giving. So you can see the blooms there. This is like my favorite piece in there. I love these buds. I love the leaves. I just was like, oh, having so much fun making this card. Sometimes the most difficult part is picking the colorway. So I'm going to start making notes of what colorways I really like. This one I like with the white base. The sentiments. This is Glimmer Hot Foiling. I used matte silver for this. So this is black cardstock. I will put a link for the black cardstock that I use because a lot of places don't sell smooth black cardstock. I'm very clean in terms of the foiling on the sentiment, and I did both happy and birthday. This is 2 sets using matte silver. My favorite usually is the matte gold, but in this card I think it just worked better with this sort of black, dark gray, charcoal, white combination. Happy. Be Bold Glimmer Sentiments. So I used the happy here. And the combination, the birthday. So it's two different glimmer sets. This comes from Splatter Sentiments. There, that birthday is that. Look how delicate that is. I mean, hello. Delicate, delicate, delicate. That birthday measures 2 3/4 by 1 3/4. Happy 2 by 1/2 inch. When I was looking at happy and birthday together, one, this doesn't have happy in here. It only has birthday and thanks. But I kind of liked the difference between the two. I think it's fun. Now to cut out the birthday, with this Splatter Sentiments, this birthday matches this one, Yana's Layered Script Sentiments. These two work together, okay? So if you do have this set, which you can use it for splatter. I haven't tried the splatter yet. You can use it for the sentiments. Thanks for your friendship, for your support. Happy birthday on your and wishes. You can use a little sentiment strip die to cut out these small ones. But in this case, this is what cuts out that. And I had done another video where I showed you guys this, the thank you card. Here is from this set as well, Yana's Layered Script. And this is Yana Smakula, okay, guys? She designed this set. She probably designed this too, because it's the same script, but they didn't put her name here. But I have a feeling it's her. Because I did watch a video where she was saying that she wanted to control splatter. That's why she made this. I love that. She made it in glimmer. So what is great about this particular set is these are super tight, super intricate script. Look how clean these dies are working, even with the glimmer, because of whoever engineered this die. When you line it up, it's like, hello. Yeah, they work smooth together. It worked great on thanks. It worked great on birthday. It worked great on me using this Dollar Tree foam board. It cut well there. I didn't use a foam board here because I'd have to use black. I used 3 layers of cardstock. So there is 2 layers of black 110-pound cardstock with the Diane Reveille to give this, you know, this one, she isn't going anywhere. And this is a 110-pound cardstock base. So the recipient of this card will have this card for many years to look at. Nothing is going to fall off of this puppy. And then here I use the Fashion Silver Pearls. Love. The Fashion Pearls looks like you can only get it at Spellbinders. I tried to see if it was sold anywhere else, but it's only Spellbinders. So if you make an order at Spellbinders, because they have some good sales. I did get some goodies from their recent sale around the 4th of July. Okay? You can add this to your cart because, boy, it's good. I adore their gold ones and silver ones and, of course, their gems. Yeah. And I think the reason why I love this is everything comes with different sizes. In here, you have 2 colorways. Here is just setting it off. You can use this for the holidays. Love these type of embellishments because it just adds that finishing touch. So I just wanted to show you, I did thanks with the die only. Here is the glimmer. So these 2 sets do go together very well. Splatter Sentiments, Glimmer Hot Foil, Yana's Layered Script Sentiments. These 2, winning combination to make something like this. If you get all 3 of these, you have a lot covered because you can use the thanks here, cut it out, so that makes it easy for your hot foiling. And then you could do the thanks, and then you could do for your support, for your friendship. You could use this thanks with that. So this is a good set to add to your stash, along with Be Bold Blooms, the diamonds, and the beveled. Yeah, love this card. Can you tell? Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, maybe I'll make another happy birthday card. Listen, happy birthday cards are the one that you need to have in your stash, and I have decided that I'm making a lot of ready-to-go cards. I need a lot of birthday, and after the summer games with my daughter, I realize I need a lot of thank you cards. Yeah, I need to have them ready to go. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Give this one a try, because this one is good. Make a bunch of these. Alrighty, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.